Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Okay, so before starting your topic, let's, give a brief introduction so that it will be easy. So, my name is Samriddhi. I'm an educator. So, I'm teaching various grades of various curriculums from different countries, and I teach maths to them. And today's topic that you chose is square and square root.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, do you have your rough notebook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see my board too, whiteboard.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
visible? Okay, so I do believe that maths has to be done by the written practice. So I'm also going to do it. You are also going to do on your rough notebook. Okay, so the topic is square and the square root, right? Anything you know about square and square root? Have you done this previously in your class or anything you know about it?
Yes, ma'am. Squares is a number multiplied by itself. This one.
Yes, right. So square of any number is when the number is multiplied by itself, it gives you the square. For example, I'm starting with the very simple thing. If I say I need to check is 196 a perfect square, how I am going to check it? Okay, in your primary classes, you must have done a LCM method. Have you done LCM, the lowest common multiple?
Ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am. We have.
Okay, you have done. Okay, so what we can do is 196 a perfect square? How can I check? I can do an LCM of that thing and I can check whether I'm getting the perfect pairs or not, right?
Yes.
So what? Okay, so by which number should I start dividing 196 with?
Two.
2. Okay, very good. So we always start with the smallest prime number, but here we can start with 2 as it is divisible by 2. So we can start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. So when 196 is divided by 2, it gives you what?
Ma'am, 98.
98. Very good. Again, it can be divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am. Then it will be,
Okay.
ma'am, 49.
Very good. 49. And 49 can be
7,
divided by
ma'am.
7. You cannot divide it by 2. Move to the next number, that is 3. You cannot divide by that 3 also. Then you can check. We know that 7, it is divisible by 7. So it comes out 7. Again, it will be divisible by
7, ma'am.
7. So we get 1. So now what are the numbers? 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. Now what pairs you have got? I can pair it up, right?
2 multiplied by 7 squared, ma'am.
Right. 2 square multiply 7 square. So when we take out the perfect square, what we do when we take out the LCM, we pair and we can make it 1. We are finding out the square. So it will be 2 into 7, that is 14. So 196 is a perfect square and it is a square of which number?
14, ma'am.
14, right? So this is a method just to check whether it's a perfect square or not. Okay, by taking an LCM method, right? So this is just a brief intro. I think you already know this. Now you have your queries in how to find out the square and the square root.
No, ma'am, not for square, but square roots for. Our math sir said they are imperfect squares, as in decimal squares.
Okay, so okay, let me just start with the square root then. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, if I need to find out the square root of 324, for example, I'm starting with this. Okay, your teacher must have taught you the long division method. Long
Yes,
division, she has, right? Okay, so here we can also, for the square root, you can also use the prime factorization method. Okay, for example, 324, the LCM method, you can use it. For example, it can be divided by 2.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 324 divided by 2 gives you what?
162, ma'am.
162. Okay, again divided by 2 gives you what?
81, ma'am.
81. Okay, now 81 can be divided by which number?
3, ma'am.
Okay, 3. So it gives you what?
Ma'am, it gives 27, ma'am.
27. Okay. Again, you divide it by
3, ma'am.
3. Okay. It gives you 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, divided by 3 gives you
1 and 3, ma'am.
3 and 3, 1. So you get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now you can make the pairs.
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Maybe 2
3,
by 2 multiplied by 3 whole square.
right. So it will give you 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So it gives you 18, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means this is a square of 18, or you can say 324 square root is 18, right? So this was just an example to do that, how you can do the prime factorization also, right? Okay, let's do by now the long division method that you have a problem. Okay, for example, let's start by 784. I have to do the long division of 784. What is the steps?
Actually, ma'am, I'm a little bit unclear on long division now.
Okay, no problem. It's fine. I'm going to clear that. Okay. 784. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write it like a division. Long division, just make a simple line here. Have you made that in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we do is we always start pairing from right hand side. Pair means the 2 digits together. Okay. Now we have 3 digits. So what we can do is we can pair the digits from right side. Now there is no pair here. That's fine. Leave it at 7. Okay. We always starts from the right hand side and we pair the digits. Okay. So we have paired the digit 84 under one pair and 7 under one pair. Now 7 has no, more digit. It's a 3-digit number. So it will be a single digit number. That's fine. Understood what you have to do the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we do is we want, yes. Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I want 7. Now I have to multiply the two numbers, 2 digits that has to be same. What are those digits that give you 7? Any number multiplied by itself gives you 7?
No, ma'am.
No. Any number less than that when multiplied gives you less than 7, that will also work.
Yes, ma'am. We can do 6.
6. By which number I should multiply, which gives me 6?
Ma'am, 3 and 2.
But 3 and 2, they both are the different digits. I need the digits that has to be same. In the long division, the digits needs to be same. For example, I'll start with, because 3 into 2 not valid because they are both the different digits. What I can do is 2 multiplied 2, that gives you 4. Okay, we always start with like this. We have to do it with the same digits. 1 into 1 is too small. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is again greater than 7, so it will not work out. So we have to start with 2 only. Understood how you have to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Always you have to take the same digits. Now, second thing is you have to do the subtraction, right? 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Now you have to take, now 3 is not divisible because it is too small. Okay, you have to take all the 2 digits together. 384. Understood? We are going to take both the whatever pair we have made 84, we have taken it down. 384.
Yes.
Done? Okay. Now what is the next step? I want a divisor here to divide it. Now, how to make a divisor in next step? We add this 2 and 2. It becomes 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, I have to fill a digit here so that I get multiplied by itself. I get 384 or less than 384. For example, 45 into 45. I have to check whether it's coming 384 or less than 384. What is 45 into 45? I'll fill it with 5. I have to fill it 5 here also. So the long division is based when you have to fill with the same digits. 45 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. 225. It's too small. We can try 46 into 46 also, or we can try 47 into 47 also. 7 sevens are 49. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Again, it's small. That means we can try with 48 into 8. 8 eights are 64. 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. So we got the answer at 48. That means 384 minus 384, that gives you the remainder 0. So what is your answer? 28 is your square root of 784.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand how we did? We are going to practice more. Don't worry. It's the first thing we are doing it. But did you understand? We just see thing again. We always start from right hand side pairing. We started with the pairing. We made the pairs 84 and 7 has no digit extra because it's a 3-digit number. So we leave it as a single digit. Then we are going to see by which number I can multiply the number itself so that I can get 7. If not 7, it should be less than 7. So 1 into 1, too small. 2 into 2, possibility there. 3 into 3 is 9. So that is also not possible. So we have to take 2 and 2 only, right? Then we took 4 minus, it will give you 3, and we took 84 together. So the number becomes 384. Now how to make a divisor? Now here was 2, here, just a second. Here was 2, here is 2. So it becomes 4, we are going to add it. And then we have to fill the digits so that it multiplied by itself gives you 384. If not 384, I have to, take a number that is less than 84. Did you understand what we did here?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Shall we do one more? We do more question, then we can understand it. Okay. See, I am doing a long division of 5329. I have to find out the square root of this number. You also make it in your notebook. Now, what should be the next step? What I told you.
Ma'am, we should pair it.
Right, we should pair it from the right hand side. So 29 together and 53 together, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we do, we have to do, we want 53. Any two same numbers multiplied together, whether it gives you 53 or less than 53. Find that. Start with, you tell me.
Less than 53, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Less than 53. Which will be the digit then?
49, ma'am.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Because 7 sevens is 49. 8 eights will be 64. It will be greater than that. Not possible. So we can take as 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Now subtract 53 minus 49. What is 53 minus 49? Sorry?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Then you have to take 2, 9 together, right? Okay. Now what was the next step? What I told you for divisor, what do you have to do for divisor?
Ma'am, we have to we have to add 7 and 7.
Very good. 7 and 7. So it becomes here what?
14, ma'am.
14. Okay. Now I have to fill the digit here, and here also it should be same, so that I get the number 429, or not 429, maybe less than 429. You tell me, what number should I fill it? What digit should I fill it?
Can I just do the calculations and check?
Yes, sure.
Three.
3, very good. So 3 here, 3 here. So it will give you 429, right? So the remainder comes out to be 0. So what is the answer? That 5329 square root is 73. Did you understand how to do the long division now?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes.
Okay, let's practice more with this type of questions. Okay, I have to do the long division of 16384. So I can do this thing with any digit numbers, pairing and everything. But do remember, pairing always starts from right side. Okay, do this one, pair it.
Ma'am, I think one is left out, ma'am.
Sorry?
One is left out.
Yes, no problem. That's fine. We have to make a pair. Oh, it's fine. So start with one only.
Yes, ma'am, then it'll just be one.
Okay, so it will start with one only. One ones are one. Okay, no problem. Then it will be minus what you will get.
Ma'am, 0.
0. Okay. Then you have to take 63 together. As I told you, you have to take a pair together only, right? So 63 together. Now here what will come?
Ma'am, we can. Ma'am, still we can put 49, ma'am, because it will be 60.
Okay, no, that's first you have to see here. You have to write down 1 plus 1, 2. Don't forget this. In the next step, when you go, you always add them, right? In the last time also you added them, no? See?
Yes, ma'am. Can I calculate this?
Yes, sure. Just a second. Let's see here. So you added no 7 and 7, 14, and then you put down the digit. So here also you're going to do the same only. You are going to first add them. 1 plus 1, 2. Now you have to fill the digit here,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. So,
Okay, do it. Do it.
we can put 2 again, ma'am.
2 again. Okay. So 2 here also, it will give you 44.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is 63 minus 44?
Ma'am, 63 minus 44.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it'll be 19.
Very good. 19. Now what you have to do next?
Ma'am, we have to bring out, we have to bring other 2 digits.
8, 4 together. Okay. Now what is your next step? What we do?
Ma'am, we have to add 22 and 2.
22 and 2. Very good. So it becomes
24, ma'am.
very good. Now you have to fill the digit here.
Yes, ma'am. So,
You can do the calculation, see which digit you are multiplying so that I get 1984 or maybe less than that. Yes.
sorry, ma'am, just 1 minute.
No problem.
Ma'am, it will be 8, ma'am. 2, 4 here.
Okay, right. It will be 8 here and 8 here also. And it will come 1984. And when we subtract it, we get the remainder 0. So the answer is the square root of 16384 is 128.
8.
Now it's easy to calculate the square root.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do one more, a big one. 66049. 66049. Now what we do is we make the
Ma'am, we pair it.
pair it. Okay, so pair it.
Ma'am, 6 is left out, ma'am.
Yes, 6 is left out. So we're going to start with
2, ma'am.
2. Okay. 2 and 2 here. Okay. It comes out to be 4. Okay. 6 minus 4?
Ma'am, it will be 2, ma'am.
2. Okay. Then we are going to take what?
2, ma'am. So then in the divisor section will be 4 and then 1 digit to 4.
Okay, but we have to take things from above also, no? Which pair we are going to take it?
We have to take 6 and
0. 6, 0. Right? A pair together. Okay, now it becomes 4 here. So I have to do which number here so that it will be 260 or less than 260.
Let me check. We could put 5.
5. Okay. Is it going fully or there is no? Or
Not
is something
fully.
less than? Okay. So what is the number that is coming?
Ma'am, 48 multiplied 40. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
5.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake in the calculation.
No problem. Do it again.
Yes, ma'am. It'll still be 5.
Right. So it will come out to be what? 45 into 5 is?
225.
Very good. 225. And then we subtract. What is 260 minus 225?
Ma'am, it'll be 35.
35. Okay. Then we have to take what?
4 and 9.
4 and 9 together. Okay. In the divisor, what we are going to do?
Ma'am, we have to add 45 and 5.
Very good. 45 plus 5 is?
50.
50. Now we have to fill the digit here. So which digit will be here?
Let me check.
You can check.
Ma'am, it will be 7, ma'am.
Will be 7. Okay. So 507 into 7 is what? It is fully going, or still we have any remainders?
Going, ma'am. It's
It
3,
is full going.
5,
Okay. So it is 3, 5,
4,
4, 9. So you got your remainder as
0, ma'am.
0. So that means 66049 has a square root of
257, ma'am.
205. Yes, 257. Good. Good. So did you understand how to find out the square root now?
Yes.
Is it easy now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.